Now, excited. We want to see feedback. We want to get that feedback. But the question is, are we getting monetized or not? Are you getting monetized or not? What's up, everybody? So welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. Thank you so much for keeping it up here with Alice Amy. Yeah, so guys, if you are new here, what are you waiting for? Join the family. Yes, join the family. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. If you want to become a member, you can just join. You're free to join. If you want to appreciate my content, you can as well do that. Yes, but if you are a new member and you have a channel and you are working towards getting monetized, or you have already applied for monetization, this video is for you. And also, if you haven't reached the requirements, you can still watch this video. It's gonna be helpful to you. You know, when you go to YouTube, you randomly find videos, and I know this is one of the videos, so don't miss this out. Yeah, so I want to talk about how long have I waited for YouTube to accept me. So as you can see this right here, it's an email confirming that how you have been accepted to the YouTube pattern program. And yeah, congrats to me, I'm happy. Yes, so guys, when you apply for monetization, I know most of us, actually not most of us, like when you even search, when I applied for monetization, I went to YouTube, I searched, I watched videos. How long does it take to get feedback from YouTube? Like, how long does it take for YouTube to accept you on the YouTube pattern program? I know you have all those questions, and I think that is why you have clicked on this video. So let me tell you guys my experience on the feedback is I actually got monetized in less than 12 hours. In less than 12 hours. Yes, but when I applied, when you apply on YouTube Studio, they give you a timeline of 2 to 3 weeks, if I am not wrong. So this actually, to me, it was a shock, it was a surprise. It is something I wasn't expecting at that time, because personally, I was waiting to maybe get feedback from YouTube after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, but surprisingly, it came earlier than expected. And mine, I think, I applied around, that was in the morning. In the morning is when I applied. Okay, I think I've given you a theory. I have shared that I did not apply immediately. I got an email from YouTube asking me to be part of the YouTube pattern program. I think I took like 2 to 3 weeks. Like, I took my time. I took my time. We know, like, most of us are always anxious. Like, we're always excited when you see, when you reach the requirements. But when I reached the requirements, I chilled. And also, I didn't have the postal address, so I was working on getting a postal address, which could not take me long, because actually the day I applied for the postal address, immediately I got it, and that is when I applied for the YouTube pattern program. Now, like I was saying, I was expecting feedback from YouTube in 2 to 3 weeks, but surprisingly, within less than 6 hours, I got feedback from YouTube. Yes, Shoge telling me I have been accepted to the YouTube pattern program. Yeah, so I know there are people who have applied, and maybe they have even waited for more than a month for feedback. And maybe there are also some that have applied, and maybe their channels were not verified, or their channels were not accepted. That is basically because most times when you don't get feedback from YouTube, it's because you have not followed the YouTube community guidelines. So always ensure that you are following the YouTube pattern program. No, always ensure that you are following the YouTube community guidelines. Yes, YouTube community guidelines. It is very, very important. And also the other thing I can say is that if you are looking towards getting monetized, or if you have monetized the channel, ensure that you have more of like your own videos, your own content. Like if you have a lot of copyrights, try to edit some of them. You edit out some of them, because okay, copyrights, I won't focus so much on copyrights, because there are some copyrights that don't affect the channel, whereby even when you get monetized, you can still get monetized, but that revenue, if you are to monetize that video, that revenue won't go to you, it will go to the copyright owner. Yes, so I won't focus so much on that part. Yeah, so I'm just sharing my experience about the timeline that it took me to get feedback from YouTube accepting me to be part of the YouTube community program. And to me, it was less than 12 hours. I think within 6 hours, because I applied in the morning, and I think around 2 is when I saw the email. 2 is when I saw the email. It's just right here. Yeah, so be hopeful. And also, let me just note, I am not saying that it will take you the same time for you to get feedback. So I think it basically depends. I don't know what YouTube they look at for you to get monetized easily, or for them to take that long to give you that feedback. But just do your part, and also ensure that you put in the correct information. Yes. Yeah, so I hope I've been able to share my experience with you guys, and tell me, what do you want me to bring to this channel? It has been your host, Alice Emi, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you have someone who is starting up a channel, I have more videos about YouTube, about how to about niches. I have more other videos. Check them out. I think I'm going to leave a playlist right in the description. Maybe you can look at them, and you never know, you might be able to learn 1 or 2 things out of those videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.